You searched how to buy shares of TD Synnex Corp. So here is a brief step-by-step walkthrough. TD Synnex is an IT distributor of hardware, software, and services listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SNXUS. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a regulated broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and then add funds to your account before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SNXUS to find TD Synnex Corp. Confirm the exact match in the results before opening the stock page. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart, so you can confirm this is the correct TD Synnex listing. Verify market details and the SNXUS ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled as a market or limit order depending on your selection. If you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the order is confirmed. After the trade executes, your TD Synnex position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the link to the broker used in this example is in the description below.